I am Rohan and I am here along with my two teammates Hemant and Lakshmi to give you a brief presentation about data mining project. So our project is all about determining the insights and prediction from ICC data. So these are my two teammates. I'll start with a brief background and objective. As we all know, cricket is a sport which is rich in history and offers numerous insights about player performance. So our project goal is to employ data mining and machine learning techniques on cricket statistics to determine the best 11 players across all the formats. So, brief methodology. Initially, we load our data sets. So, in total, we have 9 data sets. Then we started with data pre-processing, which is eventually followed by exploratory data analysis and modeling, and then eventually we get the results. So, a brief explanation about data pre-processing consists of data cleaning, which is our first step to drop all the columns which has NaN records. Which was followed by removing or eliminating the duplicate values, also followed by data type conversion from string to float for easy model evaluation. This all leads to a start of feature engineering, which help us to create new features and handle categorical data. Eventually, in exploratory data analysis, we did histograms to find the features about the dataset, box plots for identifying outliers, correlation analysis to identify the importance among different attributes, which is followed by pairwise plots and small multiples for comprehensive visualization. From here on, Pawnee will take this.
After pre-processing and exploring the data sets, we perform modeling to determine best team of 11 players. We utilize clustering, classification, and neural networks for this task. The first step in all three modeling approaches was feature selection. We chose highly correlated features and removed redundant and weakly correlated ones. For clustering, we compared k-means, hierarchical clustering, and dbScan. Based on the performance and Siloid score, we selected k-means as it had the best results. We initially clustered players using k-means, then you visualize the clusters in KD using dimensional reductionality techniques like PCA and TSNE to better understand the clustering outcomes. After initial grouping, we did iterative clustering within each category of players to further identify the elite subgroup of top players. In classification, we utilize KNN and Navy Bayes models to determine the top 5 players in each player category. We had similar modeling pipeline for ANN as well. After getting top players from each model per category, we formed best team of 11 players, 4 batsmen, 4 bowlers, and 3 all-rounders. And here are the clustering results and observations for batting. And we did for feature selection, clustering, and dimensional reductionality, and iterative clustering. And here, the rightmost plot is a scatter plot for first two principal components from PCA. As we can see, it has 3 clusters: lower order batsman, top batsman, and medium batsman. And here are the results for the TSNE, where we are visualizing the clusters. And here are the TSNE and PSA results for top 8 batsmen after iterative clustering. Likewise, we have done clustering for bowling and fielding as well. And here are the results.
I'll take over for classification. We have employed two methods. One is KNN and another is naive Bayes. For KNN, we have selected top correlated features and we got a best score of 0.96, such as Tendulkar and Shastri and the one. We also implemented same for fielding and bowling, and we have got a good result. For naive Bayes, we have done the same thing to top correlated features and we have got a best score. But compared to KNN, it's not a best score. The KNN model shows a high efficiency and high accuracy in classifying top players, whereas naive Bayes was a bit less effective compared to KNN, but it still showed a good accuracy. Both naive Bayes models and KNN effectively utilize the selected features and distinguish the top performance in their respective categories. So coming to artificial neural networks, the a single neuron in the output layer is used for binary classification, and it checks whether it's a top layer or not. The model was trained over 50 epochs and with a batch size of 32. So ANN shows a pretty impressive performance, and the batting accuracy of 96 and bowling accuracy of over 97 is pretty impressive. And as machine learning continues to evolve, its integration with sports science will highly yield new insights leading to advancements. And also, we can start predicting how the players are going to perform in future. So in our project, we use naive bias, K means KN, and artificial neural networks to find the best 11 cricket team ever. So this project shows how using data and machine learning can really help us understand and predict how the sport teams will do well in the future. Thank you.